In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove rows in Power BI. If you need to clean up your data before building charts, reports, or dashboards, removing unnecessary rows is a simple but very important step. Power BI makes this easy through the Power Query Editor, where you can shape and prepare your data before using it in your report. To begin, open Power BI and go to the dataset or table that contains the row you want to remove. This is the data you'll be working with, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. If your data has extra records, blank lines, or duplicate entries, this is where you'll handle them. Once you've selected the data you want to edit, go to the Home tab at the top and click Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor. Think of this area as the place where you clean and organize your data before it gets loaded into your final report. It's especially useful because changes made here help keep your data model neat and consistent. Inside the Power Query Editor, click on the row you'd like to remove. Selecting the correct row is important, especially if you're working with a large data set. If needed, take a second to confirm that you're removing the right data before moving forward. After selecting the row, go to the Home tab at the top of the Power Query Editor and click Remove Rows. When you open this option, you'll see that Power BI gives you different ways to remove data depending on what you need. For example, you may see options for removing duplicate rows or removing blank rows. This is helpful because sometimes you're not just deleting one specific row manually. You may be cleaning up repeated entries or getting rid of empty records that could affect your analysis. Choose the option that best matches what you want to do. If your issue is repeated data, removing duplicates is the best choice. If your table contains empty lines, removing blanks can quickly tidy it up. The key is to choose the removal method that fits your data cleanup goal. Once you select the option you want, Power BI will apply that change in the Power Query Editor. At that point, your unwanted rows are removed and your data is cleaner and more ready for analysis. And that's it. That's how to remove rows in Power BI. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your reports accurate, organized, and easier to work with.